same here, or maybe a penny less. Or
UFO.
Because I went to the Shell, the one that's very expensive.
So we're going to go pick up my brother again because he went over with his friends, and tomorrow is his birthday. So my mom and I have to go somewhere early in the morning to go get his present.
Why just you two?
Huh? Okay, well my sister also, because apparently she wants it.
Oh, your sister was gonna stay clean.
Okay. What is this? What is this, boy? Sit. Speak. Speak. He's so tired. Speak. Speak. No, I kind of won't let you. Down. 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 Up. Bow. Bow. Good boy. Up. He's stretching now. Sit. 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 Hook. Good boy. Down. Let's see if you speak now. Speak. Good boy. What else can you do? Sit. Let me come here. Over here. Come here. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. High five. High five. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Stay. Sit. Stay. 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 Good boy. Come. Good boy. Sit. Down. Let me see if I can teach you to roll over. Spin. I used to be able to teach Pebbles how to spin, but she got old. Come here. Spin. It doesn't really know how it does it. Okay, over here. Bow. Good boy. No, up. Up. Bow. 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 Good boy. Up. No. Try to catch it. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Good boy. Now you're just gonna shoot. He's like, don't take my man. Bye. I love you. Don't forget that.
Why?
Yeah, do it again. Go get it.
Alright.
Is that my username or is something else?
Show me what you got.
Have you noticed that for the past 3 days being the full moon?
Oh snap!
No, yesterday it wasn't like that.
It was last night. Last night, I got up because I heard something, and then I noticed that
Last night?
last night. Then I turned to see outside the window because it was bright, and I saw it was a full moon outside. So it's yesterday and today was a full moon. I'm not sure. I don't remember.
The day before was like a half moon, so we took pictures.
Maybe because I was standing where you were standing.
Snapchat?
You're out of the way. Go over here.
Oh my goodness.
That's also Snapchat.
I don't know.
Oh, it's close.
Oh, close. I'm just gonna kiss it.